Hello, this is Simba. He's very scared and very shy. Simba, not up there, sweetheart. Oh, he keeps going to hide on the Hoover. Simba, oh, hey, hey, come here. Simba, where are you going? There's nothing for you in there. Oh, come on, little one. Come on, you were doing so well. I thought you were going to come and say hello. Oh dear. Simba's mummy was a stray, and the stray had kittens, and the kittens needed housing. So Simba has come to live with us. This is only his second day. He had his injections yesterday, and he's still a little bit scared and unsure, but I think we're making progress. Yesterday all he did was hide in the corner and hiss at me. Simba, don't go that way, sweetheart. Okay, fine. Come back, little one. Hey.